You're listening to Daily Sip with Marcel, giving you morning moments of insight, laughter, and a little something to stir the soul.
Yeah. Okay. Good day, friends. Today is August 26th, 2025. And grab that coffee, take a sip, and let's dive in. Yeah. Today's Daily Sip is about someone who has a huge impact on money in your wallet, the price tag on your groceries, and even whether your boss is hiring or freezing positions. I'm talking about Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook. Now, let me tell you, Lisa Cook might not be a household name, but trust me, she's sitting at one of the most powerful tables in the country at the Federal Reserve. She's a member of the Board of Governors. That means she helps steer U.S. monetary policy. Yeah, deciding when to raise or lower interest rates. Doesn't that sound interesting? Yeah, Cook's job is to help steer the U.S. economy. She sits on the most powerful Board of Governors, voting on interest rates, seeking rules for banks, making sure the financial systems keep humming. But today, she's making news for something very different. Mortgage fraud allegations. Yeah, here's the story. Reports claim that Lisa Cook may have listed two separate properties, a condo in Atlanta and a house in Ann Arbor, Michigan, both as her primary residence. And she did this on loan documents, just weeks apart. Yeah. Why does that matter? Well, primary residents usually get better mortgage rates than second homes or investment properties. So, if this is true, that could mean more favorable loan terms than she could have qualified for. The accusation didn't stop there. Federal Housing Finance Agency Director William Pullett alleged that Cook also failed to properly report rental income tied to one of those properties. The evidence being pointed to financial disclosures and even some social media posts. But here's the key. These are still allegations. No formal criminal charges have been filed. Cook, for her part, is denying wrongdoing. She says she's committed to addressing the matter with transparency. Yeah. So why do I call her today's Fed Up Fed? Because trust in the Fed isn't just about numbers and interest rates. It's about people. If the public feels like leaders aren't playing by the same rules, confidence in the system wobbles. And confidence is currency in the financial world. So that's why President Trump fired her. It's a reminder that even those shaping our money supply face scrutiny. Transparency, accountability, and trust are as critical in leadership as policy themselves. So, Fed Up Fed. It's not about the interest rates at all, but about the people behind them. Now for something to think about. This is fun because today we're not just sipping, we're crunching. Yeah, we're crunching. And not just any crunch. We're talking about caffeinated potato chips. Yes, you heard me right. Banger Snacks has just rolled out a new product that's equal parts fuel and flavor. Potato chips with caffeine baked right in. And these aren't hiding on any tiny shelf. You'll find them in more than 1,100 convenience stores nationwide. Yeah, here's the kicker. Each 2.5-ounce bag packs 200 milligrams of caffeine. That's the same punch in 2 cups of coffee, only you're not drinking it, you're munching it. So instead of slurping an energy drink or waiting for that latte, you could literally snack your way to alertness. And because flavor matters, they've launched with 2 bold options. Yeah, smoky barbecue and sweet paradise. Okay, gamers, this is for you. So you're burning the midnight oil, students. Oh, how about you busy professionals who want a pick-me-up without juggling another cup of coffee? Banger Snacks is not selling chips. They're selling an experience. Snacking that doubles as fuel. So next time you're staring down a long study session or that last hour work crunch, you may find yourself asking, do I want a latte or a bag of chips? And that's it for today's Daily Sip with Marcel. Thanks for spending part of your day with me. If today's sip gave you something to think about, smile about, or share, pass it on. Be sure to follow the show so we can keep sipping together. Until next time, I'm Marcel. Stay grounded, stay grateful, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for letting me be part of your day. And until next time, keep noticing what makes life taste a little better. And if you're loving this, don't just sip in silence. Follow us, hit the subscribe button, and pour this into someone else's cup. Share it, spread it. Let's wake the world up together, one daily sip at a time.